Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you all how I created this simple traditional guest makeup look. So let's get started. I always start with a lip balm. I'm taking a cream moisturizer to prepare my skin and apply all over the face and give at least 5 to 10 seconds to set. Next, I'm using a primer. Whether you're planning for a light makeup or a full face makeup, primer is an important step. Using a primer under your makeup will make your look long lasting. And I'm using an orange corrector to cover all my dark spots and pigmentation. I'm using my finger for the application to take the minimal amount of product. And now I'm using a concealer on the corrected area to match my skin tone. And I'm using the same concealer to cover my dark circle. And blending it with a blender. Today I'm using a liquid foundation, keeping the foundation as a dot all over my face and blending it with a blender. When it comes to foundation, finding the perfect shade is important. I'm taking a little more product where I have a dark spots and blending it. I'm using a liquid concealer for highlighting, and I'm not doing a contour as this is a simple guest makeup look and want to keep it very simple. I'm setting the highlighted area with the loose powder. I already have a thick eyebrow, so I'm filling it very light to give a shape. Now let's start with the eye makeup. I'm using a brown shade to create a crease line. Now I'm taking a black shade to create an outer V. Make sure to blend well so the lines are not seen separately. I'm using a blue shade for eyelid to match my outfit. I'm using my finger for the application as I'm very comfortable. If you're creating this look, you can always choose a color which matches your outfit. I'm also mixing little golden shade and blending it all over. I'm using a pen eyeliner to draw a thin line. And finishing the look applying the lipstick. So this is the final look. Hope you all liked the makeup tutorial. Please do give a like and take a moment to subscribe for more videos. Click on the bell icon for notification. Thank you for the support. Keep supporting.